In this video, we will show you how to cancel an Uber Eats subscription. If you guys want to get started with Uber Eats, you can use the links down in the description. You can cancel your Uber Pass in the app or a web browser. On the app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your app. Now, tap Uber Pass and then tap Manage Membership. Next, select End Membership and tap Leave Uber Pass. Using web browser, open the https://www.ubereats.com/au/eats-pass link. After that, sign into your web browser using your email and password. Now, come back to this article and click on the link again. This will now take you to the Uber Pass page. Click on Manage Membership and select End Membership. Following that, select Leave Uber Pass. You'll only be able to purchase another pass 3 days after you've cancelled it. If you're unable to cancel your Uber Pass in the app, let them know by filling out the form. By submitting the form, you understand that if you are eligible for an Uber Pass refund, your Uber Pass is refunded. You won't be able to purchase your Uber Pass for 3 days and your benefits will immediately be removed from your account. So, that's how to cancel an Uber Eats subscription. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.